Lord. 9 a.m. Hot. 10 a.m. Hot. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hot. It is no longer winter. That's a fact. Oh, that's hot. Everything is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Oh, this is Admiral Miter. Oh, how cute. Yep. Who needs precision when you have strength? Fence. Looks like I need. Hey. Looks like I need a new fence. Need some cutters. Alright, let's cut stuff. Two. Three. Four. Four. Five. And as a bonus, I got my workshop halfway dialed in, so I will show that to you guys if you would like to see it. Yep. Gorgeous. I don't know where I'm going to put this. I got space on the floor in there, I suppose. Well, looks like my job here is done. One more zip tie. Perfecta. Very good stuff. Rack and pinion. Where is the rack? Or the pinion? Screws on here. Don't see anything. Splitter. There she goes. Perfect. What else? This thing. Safety first. Oh, and this. Alright. Gigantic plastic guard. Very good. Anti-kickback feet. Gorgeous. Splitter. Can I store this somewhere? What's this? Storage. Perfect. Got the elephants. I like it. Ah, this guy. Flip this around. There we go. This guy has a little knob. Let's see. Hey. Perfect. All right, note to self, keep the camera out of the sun because it'll get too hot. Anyway, here's the finished product. I checked, which wasn't on video, but I checked, and this is just a touch off of square this direction, just a touch. You could see just, well, maybe you can't see. I can see it, but maybe better from this side. It's, well, now it's looking like it's perfectly square. Earlier it was looking like it was just a bit off, but that could also be, am I just a bit off down here? Well, I mean, that looks pretty dead on. We got the rack and pinion. This thing is dead straight to the fence. First of all, the fence is dead straight. Let's see. Oh, back it up. The fence is dead straight, you could see. And the fence is also dead straight to the saw, which means that the saw is dead straight. So right out of the box, this thing is square and straight. So that's good. We've got a small bonus. You could see my, you could see my very small backyard space. This is gonna go away, and it's going to be replaced with a 5-foot deep shed that goes all the way to the corner of the fence. If anybody wants to buy a motorcycle, FZ07, 2016, needs a little bit cleaned up, but runs really good. Everything is good, just sits out underneath this guy, so it gets a little bit of Florida stuff on it. Just gotta take a toothbrush to some of this stuff, but yeah, 3,500, $4,000, something like that. It's got 13,000 miles. It is a beautiful machine. Some might say the best. Oh, I'm not good at that accent. Anyway, my super small workshop. Yep, some stuff on the floor there. Cat food, that's right. If you don't have cat food in your workshop, what are you even doing? Yeah, I put this shelf up last night. Just very rough. I pulled this from this shed, and in this shed, that little table was over here in the corner. Now I have 3 sets of shelves. This thing is pretty packed, but it started to rain yesterday, so I had to get everything in here just real quick. Florida, man. Every afternoon from here on out, expect thunderstorms. Of course, New York was kind of like that when I lived there. Definitely not San Francisco. Definitely not Los Angeles. Indiana was definitely like that. Any afternoon could be thunderstorms. You never know. And under here, I've got some storage. Obviously, this is really, really good. I'm going to see if I can make it any better than this, though. But this, A+, as far as I'm concerned. This is perfect. I'm not complaining about it. But I am going to, well, now that I have the tools, try and build something a little better. I'm wondering if I can make this. There were tons of old floorboards that were left in here. You could see there's even an unopened one. And of course, when I redid the flooring in my baby girl's room, I took up that flooring. You could see kind of some of it there. But I was wondering if maybe I could do something with it. Just MDF with a little veneer on top. Who knows? I might be able to use that for something. I'm not sure. We'll see. If not, I'll huck it in the trash. But anyway, yeah, so far so good. Got some stuff down there, some items in there, some items in here. I think you already saw most of this. Yeah, got some things. That is my, oh, let's do this. Should probably clean that up a little bit. Beautiful. Alright, so we got roosters. I got to close this door last night while I was working, which is nice because the mosquitoes love me. The feeling is not reciprocal. I do not love them. I hate them. One of them got in here with me. Killed it. That's how much I dislike them. I will kill them and not even think twice about it. But it was nice to be able to close the door, work in here. Obviously, I'm going to utilize the outside space, and I have an awning coming so that I could utilize more. The other day it was raining sideways, so that didn't do any good. And I got drenched. I had to bring all sorts of stuff in real quick because it was sitting out there. You think, overhang, safe. No. So I had to bring everything in here very quickly, shut the door, go inside, take a shower. I was drenched. That was fun. Super fun. Do not recommend. 0 out of 10. Anyway, I'm rambling. Oh, so just real quick. I guess I'm not a super beginner. I did when I was in high school, very many years ago, built a couple of houses. I had half days my junior and senior year, and then the other half of the day we would go out and build houses. That was a vocational class called Building Trades at Ben Davis High School in Indianapolis. Really good programs there. And I think that the teacher that I had, Mr. Sisk, is still there. He might not be there right this second, but a couple of years ago, my mom went over there for something for my for one of my nephews, and she actually talked to him and asked if he remembered me, and he did remember me, which, you know, he probably would. I would imagine I was obviously the golden child. Everybody else would take the bus over to the work site, and every once in a while I got to ride with him in his super awesome truck, and he would just talk to me about things. He actually got me a job at, I don't know, 84 Lumber. I'm not exactly sure, in between my junior and senior year, and we built a couple of apartment buildings over the summer, and that was really cool. The crew that I was on, we built a really nice 2-story house on a golf course, but that was a very, very long time ago. Anyway, so I'm not a complete beginner. You can see I still have a little bit of work to do here. Oh, look at, my wife is a very good painter. Anyway, this is our baby girl's room. We redid the paint. I need to get new windows. I'm going to get some impact windows because this is Florida. And anyway, I built some shelves in here for her, and we just pulled the dresser out of the room. I'll probably build a new dresser at some point when I get good at stuff. But yeah, I redid the floor here, redid the baseboards, redid that, and painted it some nice, pretty colors. Pink, I don't know what that is. Pink here, purple here on the casings, although I think that I'm going to take this whole casing and remove it, go all the way up to the ceiling with the opening. Definitely redo these shelves. I want something better than this. I think that I'm going to have to pull some drywall to do that. And I also noticed I'm just going to show you real quick here. So I was gonna do a transition, but then I started watching some YouTube videos, and I could just bring the floor up a little bit to make it, and I didn't know that. I'd just go out and buy some, I don't know, what is that, 1/4 inch or maybe 1/2 inch plywood, put that on the floor, bring it level with the hallway tile, although I am taking up that tile, so we'll see how that goes in the future. But, oh look, I got another little level up here. What are you doing up there? Gimme you. Anyway, super cute. My daughter's room. That thing is just awesome. She's gonna paint like a little baby elephant. We used to have the crib sitting in here, but now it's in our room. They're taking a nap right now, so I don't want to bother them. But I made a little bookshelf. My wife has yet to paint it. She's going to paint, I don't know, she's going to paint it all cute, probably, hopefully, we'll see. She's pretty busy with the baby, but, so I'm not a complete beginner, but I am remodeling this house. That's going to have some trials and tribulations with it, so we'll see.